Damn it, they don't leave bones when you kill them this way! Bones! This is Netflix's mini factorio of genocide, where you teach a tiny Civ that the only way to enlightenment is through self-sacrifice. With over 2 needs and a stunning 12 buildings, this game is so shallow, you risk breaking your neck diving in. And between the game trying to off itself and infinite time-wasting text boxes, this game has enough padding it can survive being cancelled by Netflix. I mean, is this a game or an ebook? And the Thronglets are so dumb! Why are you starving? There's food right here! Are apples the forbidden fruit again? But damn it if they're not cute and worth at least a quick
smash.
The Thronglets work at the furnace, they're murdered at the furnace, they're loaded in the furnace. It's the circle of life.
But